Mozambique is unfortunately more known for the turmoil in its past than for the beauty it hides within its borders and its people. This being said, as with all countries, there are some things that should be avoided. Here are 8 things not to do in Mozambique. Know before you go! Number 1. Don't travel without cash. Mozambique is still an underdeveloped country. While ATMs aren't non-existent, they are few and far between. If you try to pay by credit card, you'll probably get laughed at. They accept Mozambique Meticals, South African Rands, and US dollars. Number 2. Don't bother looking for Wi-Fi. Mozambique doesn't have the infrastructure for broadband or Wi-Fi. If you need to stay connected, buy a pay-as-you-go SIM card, which you'll have to register at the shop and use mobile data. It's cheap at $7 for 5 gigabytes, and top-up cards are sold everywhere. Number 3. Don't use public transport. The local buses or chapas are normally overcrowded, in bad condition, and the drivers aren't the most prudent around. Accidents are common. It's best to hire a car or private driver to get about. Number 4. Don't drink the tap water. As a general rule of thumb for travel, always drink bottled or filtered water. Most of the better hotels or hostels will have filtered water, but always ask beforehand. Or just drink the national beer, 2M, pronounced Dosheme. Number 5. Don't trust the police. While not really corrupt, they are underpaid, so if they can pick up some extra cash with a fake fine, they will. Always ask for a receipt when being fined, as this will make things official. If the policeman is in a grey uniform and asks you for ID, never give him the original, as you'll probably have to pay him to get it back. Number 6. Don't show your valuables. As with every country in the world, if you leave your valuables unattended, are careless with your handbag, walk down a dark alley alone, or carry your wallet in your back pocket, you will probably be robbed. Number 7. Don't forget your meds. Malaria is a big problem in Mozambique, and mosquitoes plentiful, especially in the rainy season. Always take your malaria tablets. They are readily available in pharmacies without a prescription and cost between $4 to $7. Number 8. Don't go in rainy season. Mozambique is hot and humid, especially between December and April. Their winter season is between May and November, and while it will still be hot, there's less chance of rain and the nights are cooler. Which country should we do next? Comment below.